Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how you can create an e-commerce website without having any coding knowledge. So this will all be done through the WordPress admin panel without touching any of your codes. Okay, so let me show you what I am going to build today. Okay, so this is our website. As you can see over here that there is home, there is collection, and there is a beautiful menu over here. Okay, and there are other kinds of menu over here, and over here we have my cart option. Okay, as we can see right now there is no product in the cart, and here is a search panel. Okay, and here is a hero image section. Over here we can display our products, we can feature our popular products, this kind of thing. Okay, and over here we can see the view collection button. Okay, and after that if we come down, then we can see that different sections are over here. Okay, here you can feature some of your best policies, and after that you can see over here it is a beautiful UI. Okay, which is showcasing our products on our websites beautifully, right? So this is the website and this is the layout which we are going to build today. Okay, and after that if we go to any of our categories, then we can see our products listed over there, and on this left hand side where we can see that search products and filter by price, filter options also present over there. Okay, and from here we can click on add to cart, or we can just click on it to visit the detailing page. Okay, so here you can see that there are several images, and if we hover over those images then it is showing beautiful magnifying effect. Okay, and over here at the bottom we can see the description details, and there are related products and so on. Okay, so this is it, this is our website. Okay, we can add to cart from here, also we can add to cart from the home screen also. So over here we are seeing these products, right? So we can add to cart from here. So add to cart has been checked. So if we come over here, then we can see that here in this little badge it is showing one number, and in this little pop-up window we can see that on our cart this product has been added. Okay, and if we want we can check it out from over here, or we can view the cart. Okay, so here is our cart. Okay, so you get the idea. So this is the website which we are going to build today. Okay, so this video will be on longer side in respect to my other videos. Okay, so have patience and watch the video till the end. This video will worth watching, as this video will demonstrate step by step guide to how you can create this website without having any coding knowledge. Okay, so before starting, if you liked the topic of this video today, then like this video and hit the subscribe button. So let's get started. So the website which we have seen, that has been created by using this Monstroid2 multipurpose WordPress theme from Template Monster. Okay, as you can see that this is one of the best theme on this marketplace. Okay, so they has been featured is on their homepage also. So let me go through first the steps to purchase the theme from the Template Monster. Okay, so over here we can click on it to go to the details of the page, or you can click on view the details, or whenever you are seeing this tutorial that time this website layout might be something different, then you can also go ahead over here and search for the theme. Okay, so I'm going to view the details of this theme. Okay, so we are on the detailing page of this theme. As you can see over here that there is 516 reviews currently and around 9,000 sales of this theme. It is quite huge numbers, so you can understand that it is very popular, one of the most popular theme out there. Okay, so it will just cost you 75 bucks. Okay, and you can view live demo of this theme by clicking this live demo button, and while you watching this video I'm going to show you all the features of it. Okay, so you can just go down over here and you can click on add to cart item. Okay, if you want this single site license, if you want other kind of license, then you can choose different from here. As you can see there is extended license and also there is a buyout license. Okay, so for single site license you can use it on a single domain. For extended you can use it up to 5 domains, and for buyout license you can use it on multiple unlimited domains. Okay, so you can choose whatever you want as per your requirement, then you can click on add to cart. Okay, so over here it is the detailing page where we need to check it out. So everything is fine right now, and if you have any kind of discount or promo code you can apply it over here. Okay, and then click on checkout now. Okay, so I have already purchased it. So after purchasing you can find it on your download section. Okay, so I'm going to my download section. Here I can see my downloads, and from here you can download the theme from this download link. Okay, and we will need to use this ID from this order column while installing the theme. Okay, so for buying the theme you can follow the link in the description below on this video. Okay, if you buy the theme from this link below then it will not cost you any extra money, but it will help this channel to grow. So that was the part of buying steps. So now I'm going to show you the steps to set up our website. Okay, so here is a fresh WordPress install. In this WordPress setup I'm going to install the theme and create our website. Okay, so while you have downloaded the theme from this download button, after that you will get a zip file of the theme. Okay, so here I have already downloaded it. So here you can see the zip file and I have extracted it. So here is our folder, and over here you can see these folders and files. Okay, so here is documentation. Okay, from here, from this link you can find the documentation help for the installing the theme. Okay, which I'm going to show you anyway. And after that, over here you can see the manual install folder and then theme wizard folder. Okay, so we are going to use this theme wizard. Okay, so let me show you what I'm going to do. So we need to go to the plugin, then add new. Now click over here on this upload plugin button. Okay, and choose the file. So I have file over here, so I'm just drag and dropping it. So click on this install now, then click on this activate plugin button. Okay, so here it is asking for our order ID. Okay, which I have shown you previously on template monster download section. So on this download section over here we have this order ID. So I'm just copying it and paste it over here. Okay, and then click on start install. So here it is showing your license activated, downloading and installing the theme. Okay, so it has been activated. Now in this step we are going to use the child theme. Okay, and it is also recommended by these theme developers also. Okay, so we are going to use the child theme over here. So click on continue. So after this we need to select the skin and start the install. Okay, so there are various kinds of skins you can choose from. Okay, and you can see the list of all the skins over here. Okay, you can see the images over here and you can get the idea how it will look and feel. Whatever is your requirement you can choose from over here. Okay, you can click on this view demo, then it will redirect you to a demo page where you can view the theme in real time. Okay, so here is a theme. Okay, here is a theme which is default Monstroid theme. Okay, and after that there are different kinds of theme also over here. You can go ahead and check those in details if you wish to. Okay, so there are various kind of professional looking theme over here, but over here for this tutorial for creating this e-commerce website I'm going to select this skin over here. Okay, so I'm going to click on this start install button. Okay, so after clicking on the start install we are presented with this page. Okay, over here it is showing the configure plugins options. Okay, and over here we can see the recommended plugins which has all been checked over here. Okay, so we have plenty of themes over here. We have Elementor, which is a very powerful page builder in WordPress. Okay, so we need to check all these recommended plugins if that is not checked in first hand, but it will be for sure. And after that we have extra plugins section, and over here we can check any of these plugins if we want any. Okay, so for now I'm going to check all these extra plugins also and click on the next button. So it is going to install now all the plugins and it will take a few minutes. Okay, so our plugins has been installed and we are almost there as it is saying over here. So now we need to install the demo content over here. Okay, so right now we can do this kind of options. We can append the demo content to our existing content. If we are installing this theme to our existing website, then we can choose this option, and otherwise we can choose this replace my existing content with demo content. So I'm going to choose this option as this is a fresh install of the WordPress, so we can replace any existing content, or else over here you can also skip the demo content installation if you want. So I will replace my existing content with demo content, then I'm going to click on next. Okay, so it is going to import the content, but over here we need to provide the password for this WordPress. So then click on import content. So now it will also take few moments. So demo content has been imported properly. Now it is regenerating the thumbnails. Okay, and it will take a few moments also. So finally all the demo contents has been imported properly to our website. Okay, so now we can go and see our website how it is looking right now. So over here we can click on this view your site button. So currently it is looking like this. Okay, and as we can see that all the contents have been imported properly to our website. Okay, so it is looking quite nice right now. So I'm going to show you every details how you can edit every sections of this page. Okay, and on this website you can customize all the things. Okay, so now if we go any of our category page, so right now we can see that on this left side but there is the filters, but all this in red color. We will change those colors as we have seen previously on our demo. And right now over here you can see four products showing in a row. So we will fix that. We will display three products in a row also. Okay, and we will see the other customizations also over here. Okay, so right now our content has been imported properly and the theme has been installed properly. So we are going to edit it to make it as our own website with our own content. We are going to update it. Okay, so now I'm going to the dashboard of this site. So now we can see on the dashboard there are various kind of alert messages for different plugins. Okay, so you can check all these details and do accordingly. As I can see right now there are some update to the database for latest version of some plugins. Okay, so it is recommended to update the database for latest versions. So we will click on this start update. Okay, so that has been updated, and later this start update button also. Okay, and after that we can see the WooCommerce setup wizard. Okay, we don't need to go to the setup wizard. We can set all these things from the settings of the WooCommerce. Okay, and I'm going to show you that later part on this video. Okay, so I'm currently I can skip the setup, and after that we can install the WooCommerce product block for the block editor, which is the new feature of WordPress 5 version. Okay, okay, so everything has been done, and for this we can click on this never show this message again. Okay, so right now as we can see over here our website is now running with this Elementor. Okay, and on this menu we can see different kinds of menu for our website to run properly. Okay, so now if we click on this plugin widget, then it will show our system information. Okay, so over here we can see our system information, the PHP version, memory limit, all the parts over here. Okay, so now if I go to the pages over here, I can see there are 5 pages. So account, cart, checkout, home and shop. Okay, for the home. It is a front page of our website and it is built with Elementor. Okay, so if we click on this edit with Elementor button, then our Elementor page builder will open. Okay, otherwise if we visit our website and while we have logged in to our admin dashboard, then we can see this edit with Elementor button at the top of this page. Okay, we can simply click on this edit with Elementor button. So now we need to understand how the Elementor page builder works. Okay, so over here we can see that if we hover over different sections of our page, then we are presented with the border for the section and different kinds of icons over there. Okay, so first let me make you understand what this means. Okay, so as we can see right now over here in this section, if we hover over in this section, then we can see the top of this section there are three icons. Okay, so first this plus icon means after clicking this it will add another section top of this section. Okay, so after that we can create any kind of section. So from this we can create different kinds of section. Okay, if we drag and drop this, then there a section has been created. Okay, and over here we have been presented with this two column. Okay, if we don't want two column, then we can just right click on it. Then we have been presented with this little menu over here. We can have different kinds of options over here. We can delete it from here. Okay, now we have currently one column on this section, and if we want another section, then we can just click on duplicate, then it will duplicate the column. Okay, and after that if we want to edit it, then we can click on this edit column. Okay, otherwise we can add new column also. Okay, so if we click on this plus button, then we will be presented with these different elements of this Elementor page builder. Okay, we can just drag and drop the element which we want. Okay, and as you can see that while I'm dragging this, there is a thick line in blue which is showing where I'm putting this element on this page. Okay, so right now the blue bar is between this column, so that means within this column I'm putting this image element. Okay, so over here as you can see that our image element has been added over here, and it is showing default image which is saying us to choose your image. Okay, so we can delete the image from here and we can add different kinds of image to this column. Okay, so from media library I can choose any kind of image I want. Okay, so I'm choosing this image. Okay, so as you can see that our image has been added here properly. Okay, and from this image size I can choose different kinds of size for this section. Okay, so I want this image to be appear as small, so I have done this. Okay, and I can set the alignment also over here. So after that I can do another thing. I can add some kind of text over here also. So I will put it at the bottom of this image. Okay. To edit the text, we can just click on it and start editing the text from here. Otherwise, we can edit our text from this left hand sidebar also. Okay. And while we are editing in real time over here, we will also be presented with this bold, italic, underline options also. Okay, if we want it to bold, italic, underline, then we can do that. Okay, and as you can see that there is some addition in this text with some tags. Okay, so this is our heading. If we want our heading to wrap in different kinds of HTML tag which will help in our SEO, then we can choose it from here, this HTML tag section. Okay, so by default right now it is on H2, and there are different kinds of heading tags, H1, H2 up to H6 are present, and also there are different kind of HTML tag we can choose from. But for the headings, this first 6 H1 to H6 heading tags is being used. Okay, so you can choose it any kind of heading you want. Okay, as per your SEO needs. Okay, and I can duplicate this column as I have been worked on this. So all these settings of this column has been duplicated to a new column. Okay, so this empty column, I can delete this empty column and I can just edit it from here. Okay, so like this we can add different kinds of content, different kinds of section to our page through Elementor. Okay, so now I'm going to delete this section. Okay, and for this section, as you can see that this section has been presented with this 4 column. Okay, if you don't want any column, then you can just right click on this column icon and you can get rid of this column, or you can add new column and do accordingly. Okay, here the image box element has been added over here. Okay, so we can edit it from here and we can see the title and descriptions over here. If we add some kinds of link, then we can put it over here, and here is the image position. Okay, so that's how we can edit. Also over here you can see that there is a navigator panel over here. Okay, which is showing different kind of sections and elements of this page. Okay, so we can select which one we want and we can start editing from it. Okay, so at the top here is a section, okay, which is this section, this banner area. Okay, so we can click on it and we can see the options of it over here. Okay, so if we go to the style section, here we can see that this image has been applied to this section's background. Okay, so we will change it, as our demo website is presented with this blue color, so we are going to edit it. Okay, so first of all delete this image. Okay, and after that I can put a solid color over here. So this blue color has been applied to it, and after that for the text color we can click on the text section and go to the style tab. Okay, over here you can see the text color option. So from the text color option I will choose the white color. Okay, same as for this text also, so I will choose the white color. Okay, and for this section, as we can see over here that it is applied using image, so you can delete the image from here and add your own image accordingly. Okay, and for this section over here I can see the image. As you have seen previously, you can delete it and add your own image over here. Okay, and there is the image size and alignment. Okay, so all this looking nice to me, so I'm not going to change it. right now. So I have added this blue color to my website. So this blue color will be my default theme of the website. Okay, so if I come to the bottom of the page, then at the bottom over here I can see that join our newsletter section is also presented with that gradient red color. Okay, so we need to change that also. But if we come over here, then we can see that different kinds of layout over here. It is not showing different sections, it is showing complete this section, and at the middle of this section it is showing edit footer button. So I will show you that how to edit this footer after few moments. Okay, and at the top also, if we come to this menu section, then we can see that edit header button also over here, right? So header and footer is similar kind of thing, so we will edit it from different areas. Okay, so if we go down on this page, I believe that you have understood that how you can customize these sections, right? As I have shown you how you can customize and edit these sections and columns over here, add the images and all, right? But over here, if we come to this section, this best selling product section, we can see that there are different kinds of category of the product, and every category is showing some products over there, but all these are in tabs format. Okay, so if we click on this, then as you can see over here already that this edit tabs option has been appeared, and over here we can see all the items, all the tab items over here, right? As you can see the computer, headphone which are present over there, these are the items present over here. Okay, and if we go to the settings tab, then you can see there is the effect option. So what is the effect? If we click on any tab, then the products appearing with an effect of moving up, right? So here is the effect, move up. So if we select this zoom out, then if we click on any tab, then our products will appear with a different effect, right? So that's how you can customize your effect. You can go ahead and choose these options which is fit with your requirement. Okay, and here is tabs event, how you want these tabs to appear. If we want this product to appear when we click on it, then it will be on click, and if we want to appear this product while you hover over the menu of the tab, then you can select this hover. Let me show you. I have selected this hover event. So if I just go over there, I'm not clicking on it. Okay, I'm just hovering over my cursor over there, and it is showing the products of that particular tab. Okay, so I'm making this to click again. Okay, so this is the item, and for this tabs items, I will show you how you can edit these items within this tab. Okay, and over here you can click on this add item to add new item on this tab section. Okay, so over here you can see that new tab, and on new tab we can add an icon over here. As you can see over here that there is a new tab has been created, and there is an arrow icon over here. Okay, if we don't want an arrow, then we can click on this cross button. Okay, now that arrow has been gone. Okay, and if we want to have any kind of icon over there, then we can have so many icons to choose from over here. Okay, so this is the icon section. And if we want to put any kind of image over there, then we can add it from over here. And for the label, it is showing right now new tab. Okay, but suppose I need a tab of some random name. I'm just putting a test tab. Okay, so the label of the tab has been updated. Okay, and for the content type, we have this two type, template and editor. Okay, so by default over here the theme has been using the template. Okay, so for the template we can choose the template from over here. There has been different kinds of template already created. Okay, which we are seeing the data over here. Okay, so we can select any kind of template which we want, and if we want a new kind of template, then we can create that from the dashboard of our website. Okay, so right now let me show you. If we currently click on this test tab, then there is no template is defined currently. But if I select any kind of tab over here, okay, then it is loading some data from that template. Okay, so now if we go to the test tab, then I can see that there is some content over here, right? So that's how you can choose the template and set it accordingly. Okay, so currently I'm just removing it. Okay, so after updating the page according to your requirement, you can click on this update button over here, and it will update the page. Okay, and for those templates which I have shown right now over there, you can come to this template menu and click on this save templates. Okay, now over here we can see all our templates. Okay, all our saved templates over here. So we can create a new template from this add new button. Okay, and choose the template type, page or section, and the template name. Then you can click on this create template, and the template will be created, and you can choose the content which you want to show over there. Okay, so this is the steps to create the template, and that's how you can add these products to this kind of tabs. Okay, so now after saving it, we need to go to the dashboard. So I'm clicking on this exit to dashboard button. So now we need to make changes on our header and footer. So for that I'm going to add this Monstroid2 menu and then my library. So now on this Monstroid2 my library section, we can see that header regular, header and footer part. Okay, so header regular is for all the pages, and normal header is for the home page. Okay, let me show you all this one by one. Okay, so I'm just clicking on this edit with Elementor for this header. Okay, so it has been opened in Elementor. So now we can see that there is a element section over here, right? But as it doesn't have any kind of background, so we are not seeing it, and the text color of the menu is currently set at white color. So if we hover over those menus, then we can see that there is a menu. Okay, so that's how it is. Okay, so if we click on this logo section edit icon, then we can see that there is a logo image option and the retina logo image option over there. So we can delete it from over here, and then we can add our own logo. Okay, so that's how you can change the logo from this header portion. And if you want to have any kind of updates over this menu section, then you can do this accordingly. Okay, over here you can see that after clicking on this section we have been presented with this option. So there is a menu option. Okay, so currently it has been selected the main menu over here. Okay, we can create menu from the appearance menu section, right? So that's how it has been done. And there is another section for the cart. Okay, so if I click on this edit part, then we can see over here that this window has appeared, and over here we can select the icon. We can customize these options. Okay, so the product counts, yes, so that's the zero number which is showing over there. Okay, and it will change if we add products to the cart. Okay, and cart drop down level my cart. Okay, so if I hover over this, then there is a my cart option. So drop down level is set to my cart. Okay, so if you want any other thing, then you can customize it over here. Okay, so that's how you can edit the header portion, and this is the header of the home page. Okay, so I'm going back to the dashboard. Now for the header regular part. Okay, I'm just editing it with Elementor. So now the regular header portion has been opened in Elementor editor. So now it is clear over here that we can see that red color area, and we can clearly see the different sections of it. So if we want to edit it, then we can edit it from over here. First we need to change the color of this section, so we have to click on this edit section icon. Okay, and as you remember that previously we have already updated our banner area to blue color, right? So for the regular sections also we need to add this blue color, which is our default theme color, right? So currently it is in red color. So if I update it, this regular header regular section, then it will reflect it over here in this different pages. Okay, so for this I'm going to style section and I will choose the color. Okay, so I have chosen it. And for the other parts, as I have shown you previously, for the header part you can change the logo and customize these things accordingly, and these things is same as I have previously shown you. Okay, so I will just update it now. So it has been updated, so I need to exit to the dashboard, and now we need to edit the footer part. So now click on this edit with Elementor for footer also. Okay, so it is our footer over here. So we can see the different sections over here. So first we need to change this color. So quickly do this. So the section background color has been changed. So now I need to change these colors. Okay. Okay, so for this is a column, and this column, and within this column there is an element called subscribe. Okay, so I have clicked on this subscribe, then this section has appeared, and over here I can change the text of this sign in. Okay, so I can put it like subscribe. So it has been updated. So now for the color part, I'm going to this import section. Okay, so for input there is a background color of this pink kind of color, so I'm just changing it to different color, so it will be blue color, and I'm just making it bit light over here. Okay, so I have done that. And for the button part, there is a submit button section at this bottom, so I have clicked over here, and for the background color I will change it to, okay, I will not change it, I will leave it as it is because it is looking quite nice over here. Okay, so I'm just leaving it as it is, but if you want you can change it over here. Okay, for the text color also, these are the things you can set it over here. Okay, so I'm just updating it right now. And for these sections also, I believe that you already get the idea how you can change these sections also. Okay, so I'm not going in details over there, so I'm just going back to the dashboard. So now if we refresh this page of our website, then we will see some difference over here. Okay, so our header has been changed to blue color, and our footer also updated accordingly. But in the middle of this section, this red color is currently present, but we need to update it also to the blue color. And also we need to do one thing. Currently it is showing 4 products in a row. We need to change it, we need to make it to 3 products in a row. Okay, so now I'm going to do this. So now I will open this on customizer. So for this I will click on this customize button. So I will go to this color scheme. So over here for accent color we can see the red color over here. Okay, so I'm changing this color to my default blue color which we are using over here. Okay, so this is the hex code of this blue color, so I have selected this color. So now you can see this button colors has been changed to our theme color. Okay, and for this link color also I will choose this same default color over here. Okay, so currently we can see that for these buttons we can see that red color has been gone and our theme color has been presented over here. Okay, so now it is looking like it's reflecting our own brand identity. Okay, so we have updated it over here, so you can click on publish to save it. Okay, so after that I'm clicking on this WooCommerce button. Okay, so over there product catalog, so how many products should be shown per row? So we will set it to 3, right? Okay, so it has been changed, so I can click on publish to save it. Okay, so it has been updated, so currently we don't need to do anything on this, so I can click on this cross button. Okay, so it has been updated. So now we can see that there is, I believe this is a pound sign. Okay, so this sign is showing over there, but we need to change this currency sign from WooCommerce to show it on our own currency. Okay, so for this I'm back to the dashboard, and from here I'm going to the WooCommerce and then settings. Okay, so within this general settings section we can choose our country, and after that we can select our own currency over here. Okay, so I'm in India, so I will type over here India, and then in India I'm located in West Bengal. Okay, so this is my state, and then for the currency I will select Indian rupees. So you can see over here that there is different currency option is over there, but I will choose Indian rupee over there. Okay, so click on this save changes. So it has been updated. So now if I reload this page, then we can see that our currency has been updated over here. Our currency symbol is showing right now. Okay, so it has been updated. So now if we go to any other page, so then it will reflect the same layout and same fill in all those sections. Okay, if I visit any product details page also, now we can see that all of all of the sections is showing our default color over there, and all the details is looking quite nice according to our requirement. Okay, okay, so I believe I have seen you all the details how you can change all the part of this section and customize it accordingly your needs. Okay, okay, but over here this section I haven't shown you, so let me show you this section how you can create this mega menu and customize this menu section. Okay, so for this we can go to this edit with Elementor section, and there a drop down menu has appeared, and over there we can see that header, regular, mega item and footer. So header and footer we have already updated it, but there we can see a mega item showing over there. So this mega item is for the mega menu, which we can see over here. Okay, so if I click on this, then it will open this panel over here. Over here we can update the content of the menu over here, right? So you can go on this section, so you can change the title over here. You can go ahead and choose the section over here which you want to show. So all these options present over there, so we can customize it accordingly. If we want to show the product price, then we can toggle it. Okay, and we can specify products by the product ID over here. Okay, so query products by specific ID. Also, if we want, we can choose these different options to show products over here. Okay, so if I select query products by sale, then it will display the products which are currently on sale over here. Okay, so that's how you can update it over here, and you can, after updating it, you can click on this update button. Okay, so now I'm exiting to the dashboard. So that's how you can create this beautiful e-commerce website by your own without any kind of coding knowledge. So I believe I have covered all the aspect of this theme, and you got a clear knowledge how you can customize it and create your own e-commerce website by using this Monstroid2 template monster theme. So if you like this tutorial and you are looking for creating a new e-commerce website, then you can use this Monstroid2 theme from template monster, and if you use the link mentioned below on this video, then it will help this channel to grow. Okay, so that's the tutorial, guys. If you like this tutorial, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel for more this kind of tutorials. So I will see you later on different tutorials. So thank you for being with me.